Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and yes, people, the weekend is here. I don't know what you got planned, but whatever you do, enjoy, have fun, and be safe. Now, we got a super casual, super awesome watch face to check out today. This one is going to be free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. We got two watch faces in the lineup. We're getting you set up for the weekend. You may not have to watch any other video because these watch faces are off the charts. You're going to love them. We did a review on this developer's watch face before. I'm telling you, keep your eye on this guy. All right, with that being said, the name of the watch face is called Titanium Top. In the AOD mode, you're gonna get a black and white theme. It looks really, really elegant in that mode. Once the watch face is on, the guy got down on the detailing of this watch face, and it offers up everything you can want or need out of a watch face. So let's have a closer look at it. First of all, if you need to turn this on, it has a light. It's going to light up the developer's name. Also, you can turn it off by a single tap. Now, I really like the stylish look of these premium hands, along with that second hand with the red tip, which really brings out the elegance within this watch face. You get shortcuts. I really like the look of this 3D effect that these icons have. And down at the bottom, for those of you all who need to know your step status, is here. You get step info, calories burned, your heart rate. You get digital time, which means you get the best of both worlds, and you're going to get your date as well. Now, it is interactive, so if I need to go in to my calendar or set an event, I can. Also, if I need to check my S health, my steps, heart rate, sleep, floors climbed, calories burned, things of that nature, I can check that here, and I can check my weather. Do you see the weather, people? And it's going down. I'm telling you, it's going down. -9. Cold. All right, and you can also make a phone call. So this watch face is definitely super convenient. I'm loving the look, the layout, the design, everything is on point. And if I double tap here, I can change the color theme of this watch face. Very nice. This will fit any attire that you put on with this watch face. It's going to be nice. Check this one out in the Gear Manager store. And with that being said, people, let's go ahead. Let's check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2. Now, number 2 is called Power Time. Now, this one is going to be set up a little bit differently from watch face number 1, but yet this one still looks nice. Now you have choices, right? So this one is nice. I love the black and white theme in AOD mode. It's pretty much going to look like number 1, but it's going to be different because the design is different. But it's definitely a nice timepiece to go out in. Now, looking at the watch face, right, when it's on, you're gonna get an analog time. I love that look. The arms are gonna look just like the arms that are on watch face number 1. Now, your setup is different. You're gonna get your digital time at the top, your date, your day. You also get your step status separate from everything else, which is cool. And down at the bottom, that's gonna be your battery percentage. You can't really see it, but there's a little dial with your info for your battery, which is nice. Again, if you wanna cut this light off, you can, but if you like it and you want to keep it on, you can also do so. And yes, you can customize the color theme of the watch face by a double tap. Now, the look is going to look a little bit different from number 1. Very unique, very nice. Just double tap. And the design is nice too. I like the detailing of this watch face as well. I thought the developer did an awesome job on this one, especially with the choice of colors. So yeah, what do you think, people? I think it's nice. I think it's worthy of a download, especially, people, especially considering that it is free. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you all have the greatest weekend ever and relax. If you're in the Midwest and you're having this cold weather, chill, stay in, get everything you need, and enjoy a relaxful day. All right. See you all at the next one. Make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.